Okay, so I was at a conference and I got a sample of this, so I'm going to be doing a review on the Thorne Research Vegalite protein powder. It's a plant-based protein, and it is gluten-free, soy-free, no artificial flavors. And let's take a look at the back here. So let's zoom in. It's made from pea protein and the rice protein. So if you've had rice protein before, it is a little bit, sometimes a little bit gritty. So, but I'll try it out and see how it tastes. So these are the essential amino acids with the triangles on them. Okay, and without going into more detail, it is sweetened with stevia. Okay, so, and you can find this at your local healthcare provider. And let's take out here. And just give you a look at what the protein there. Okay. And let's try it out. So it mixes all right here. So, there we go. So there you can see it. The mix is not bad. Just have to stir it a bit. And let's try it out. So the vanilla taste does come through really well. Like I said, it's pea protein and rice protein, so you do get a little bit of that grittiness, very little. But if you have any questions, comments, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.